Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, which is the speaker for sounds, in a Samsung Galaxy A56 phone. For this, we need isopropyl alcohol, specifically pure in a diffuser or a small container. A brush with flexible bristles, the bristles should be soft or medium hard. And you can buy this diffuser and this brush in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have access to that, you can just use a toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. The phone must be turned off. We never clean the phone while it's on, because you could damage it. We dampen the brush thoroughly with alcohol so that it's wet. We take the phone in our hand. The buzzer is right here. This opening here is the buzzer opening, and we need to clean this opening with a steady motion in one direction. We perform 10 to 15 strokes. Then the same thing in the other direction. Also 10 to 15 strokes. Then towards the screen and towards the back cover, the same way. If the buzzer is very, and I mean very dirty, it's good to repeat this operation 2 or 3 times in each direction. Then it is perfectly cleaned. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates. And after that time, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.